Hello everyone! Today we're diving deep into a topic that can significantly impact your financial journey. We will discuss the 10 smart things to do with your 13th month pay. Whether it's a bonus, a year-end windfall, or that extra month's salary, I'm here with an extensive guide on how to make the most of this additional income. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Now, let's embark on this financial adventure. Number 1. Emergency funds. Let's kick things off with a financial foundation that often gets overlooked: building or fortifying your emergency funds. With your 13th month pay, consider jumpstarting or reinforcing your emergency fund. Financial experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, and this bonus provides an excellent opportunity to make significant strides. Imagine it as a shield against unforeseen financial storms, providing peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. Number 2. Pay off high-interest debt. Now let's talk about a powerful step toward financial freedom: paying off high-interest debt. Whether it's credit cards, personal loans, or any other debts with steep interest rates, using your 13th month pay to tackle these balances head-on can save you a substantial amount in interest payments over time. It's like giving yourself a pay raise by freeing up those funds for more enjoyable things, like experiences or investments that contribute to your financial growth. Number 3. Invest in yourself. Allocating a portion of your bonus for personal and professional development is a wise move. This could involve enrolling in a course, attending workshops, or investing in books that enhance your skills and knowledge. It's like planting seeds today that will grow into a forest of opportunities tomorrow, both personally and professionally. Number 4. Retirement savings. Now let's shift our focus to the long-term game plan. Retirement savings. Consider allocating a portion of your 13th month pay to your retirement savings. Whether it's contributing to your employer's retirement plan or opening an individual retirement account, this money has the potential to grow over the years, setting you up for a comfortable and stress-free retirement. It's like creating a financial nest egg that will thank you in the future for your forward-thinking approach. The power of compound interest is a force to be reckoned with, and the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Number 5. Start a side business. Feeling the entrepreneurial spirit? Whether it's a passion project or a venture that aligns with your skills, starting a side business can not only generate additional income, but also provide a sense of fulfillment and purpose. It's like turning a hobby into a money-making machine, creating a source of income outside of your regular job. With the rise of the gig economy, there are endless possibilities for turning your skills and passions into a profitable venture. Number 6. Home improvements. If you're a homeowner, consider using your bonus for strategic home improvements. Whether it's upgrading appliances for energy efficiency, making minor renovations, or enhancing curb appeal, these investments can increase your property value. It's like giving your home a financial facelift, which not only improves your living space, but also serves as a smart financial move in the long run. A well-maintained home is an asset that can appreciate over time, providing both comfort and potential financial gains. Number 7. Build a sustainable budget. Now let's talk about the foundation of any successful financial plan: a budget. Use your 13th month pay as an opportunity to reassess and refine your budget. Building a sustainable budget is like creating a roadmap for your money, ensuring it aligns with your priorities and aspirations. It's not just about restricting spending, it's about allocating resources in a way that brings you closer to your financial dreams. Number 8. Create multiple income streams. Diversification isn't just for investments, it's a smart strategy for income too. Use your 13th month pay to explore opportunities for creating multiple income streams. This could involve investments, freelance work, or even passive income streams. The more diversified your income, the more resilient your financial situation becomes. It's like planting different crops in your financial field to ensure a bountiful harvest, regardless of economic conditions. Multiple income streams not only provide stability, but also open up new avenues for financial growth and flexibility. Number 9. Health and wellness investments. Prioritize your health by investing in activities that promote wellness. Consider fitness classes, nutrition programs, or even sessions with a personal trainer. These investments contribute not only to physical well-being, but also to increased energy and productivity. Number 10. Buy and sell of secondhand items. Venturing into the world of secondhand goods presents a unique opportunity to blend sustainability with entrepreneurship. Use your 13th month pay to source high-quality, pre-loved items at thrift stores, garage sales, or online platforms. With careful curation and strategic marketing, you can resell these items on popular platforms. This not only allows you to contribute to the circular economy, but also potentially generates additional income as you tap into the thriving market for secondhand goods. Sounds amazing, right? And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to maximizing your 13th month pay. Remember, the key is finding a balance that suits your unique financial goals and circumstances. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Until next time.